Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about top 30 human blood MCQs part 1B. Dear students, if you like my videos, please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. Thank you. The hematopoietic stem cell is capable of producing dash. Option A, RBCs only. Option B, WBCs only. Option C, platelets only. And option D, all types of blood cells. So the correct option is D, all types of blood cells. Explanation is hematopoietic stem cells differentiate into RBCs, red blood cells, WBCs, white blood cells, and platelets. Bilirubin is the end product of dash metabolism. Option A, fats. B, iron. C, heme. And option D, globin. So the correct option is C, heme. The end product of bilirubin is hemoglobin. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. There are dash millions of molecules of hemoglobin in one RBC. Option A, 460. Option B, 330. Option C, 720. And option D, 640. So the correct option is D, 640 million. Each RBC contains 640 million hemoglobin molecules. The molecular weight of hemoglobin is dash. Option A, 60,000. B, 68,000. C, 65,000. And option D, 61,000. So the correct option is B, 68,000. The molecular weight of hemoglobin is 68,000 kDa, kilodalton. So this is very important MCQs. Which of the following is not the property of progenitor cells? Option A, self-renewal. B, irreversibly committed. C, can proliferate. And option D, can mature. So the correct option is A, self-renewal. Progenitors cannot self-renewal. So the stem cells can. Dear students, if you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Dear students, this is last MCQs. Extravascular hemolysis occurs in dash. Option A, spleen and kidneys. B, spleen, liver and kidneys. C, liver, spleen and bone marrow. And option D, spleen, kidney and bone marrow. So the correct option is C, liver, spleen and bone marrow. Macrophages in these organs phagocytose old RBCs. Thank you for watching my videos.